So this is going to be just a short update on a couple things going on around here at the Garner Family Farm. Turn around and let you see it. So this is just kind of update everybody. Lucy doing great. You know, we got her back from the vet a couple weeks ago. She's doing good. Pigs, big as hell, especially the female, the mama. Now that's her right there. We don't know how close she is. I built this pen for her. I'm not done with it, but this is where I'm going to have to put her in here when it's time for her to give birth. Hopefully, I'm ahead of it. So, they're fighting or playing. And here goes Honey with her little baby goats. They are 2 weeks old today. 2 weeks old tomorrow, I think. We may have too many roosters. I'm not real sure. Here's old Romeo. We're going to get you some companionship real soon. And then we went out of town the other day to get a pig. And that new pig, there he is. Call him Stewie. So, he's in here. I don't know how well he's eating. But he's in here by himself. We put him in with the bigger pigs the other day to see how they would do, and they didn't attack him or anything, but I'm afraid they're going to step on him. He's so small. So I'm going to let him get a little bigger before we put him in the pig pen. And let me show you the rabbits. The rabbits are getting huge. We've got to get rid of the rabbits very soon. And there goes Lily the cat. Of course, Stubby. And these rabbits are damn near full grown. It's almost hard to tell between the mom and the babies. We're getting rid of them. We're trying to sell them now. And we got, stop, stay back. Some babies in here. And then these two. So that's a quick update. Let's see what we got. I don't know what the count is. We got 6 goats, 3 pigs now. Let's see, 2 plus 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus 6. Got 19 rabbits, I think. Woo. So till we get rid of some. Dog, cat. I think that's it. I don't think I missed anything. Anyway, just trying to give a quick update. Not doing a monthly thing anymore. Just when I think there's new stuff to show, I'll show it. So you like, share, and subscribe. And remember, all good stories start with a C. Thanks for watching.